Greetings, dear students. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you ensure that your work is authentic and free from unintentional and intentional plagiarism. This is basically what we call Turnitin. So we are coming to turn in our project or document. Yeah. So what you need to do first is to log into our website and then hover over the library and archives at the nav bar. Then hover over Johannes Zimmerman Library, that's our library. Then services, and then you click on plagiarism checker. This will depend on your internet connectivity. It might be very slow if you have a very bad network. So we have these options or these programs. So we have MA regular, MA options, MTH regular, and so have you. Process we will be using for MA regular is the same process you use for MA options, MTH, and the rest. So on this interface, you need to type in your ACI email, which will be given to you, and also a default password, which will be shared among you. Yeah. So when you're done typing or keying in your email, your ACI email, you should remember that, and then your password, you then log in. Yeah. This dashboard pops up with this interface. So for now, we will do a Turnitin for an MTH project. Yeah. So you click on that. Oh, okay. Let's do this. Yeah. So let's say you get to the dashboard. Because I am a staff, I go enrolled in both courses. So if you are an MTH student, you will have just MTH or PhD plagiarism. But if you are an MA student, you will also see this. Yeah. So you need to click on the course that you taken or the program that you taken. You don't need to just take anyone. But I'm sure for MA students, you have your own, and then PhD students have theirs. Yeah. So let's do for MTH or PhD to PhD. The process is the same for all. It's the same for both MA, MTH, and PhD. So you can use this same tutorial for all of their um, Turnitin processes for all the courses. So when you click on that, we are going to use this course PARDC 01. Yeah, so if you are MA student too, you can you can click on MAT M01 or M02 depending on the course that you want to Turnitin for. You want to do the Turnitin for. Yeah. So on this dashboard, after clicking on the PRDC 01, you get a pop-up like this, similar. Yeah, the same thing. You just need to come straight up to here, click on submit paper, and then you give a title. You give it a title to differentiate the type of documents that you turn in. Because assuming I turn it in for the first time and then I don't get that cutoff point, I need to turn it again. You need to differentiate it, so you need to give a name. So let's just say first. Yeah, that's okay. And then you click here, or also you can also drag your file here, but I recommend you just clicking here, and then this pop-up appears. Then choose file. When you click here, it opens a pop-up appears for the location of where your document is. So you need to search through this side, but for me, my document is already here, so I just click on that and then open. Yeah, it is uploaded here, so that's what you can see here. That's here.docs. You can add a name that you want to save it as. That's not that necessary, but you can just skip it since we've already named that one. You've already named it in the earlier process. So upload this file, and then add submission. This might take some couple of minutes. So let's just wait. Yeah, this is saying your submission has successfully been uploaded to Turnitin, which means it has been uploaded and it will get it turned in some couple of minutes. So this is where we need to wait and get it. For this document, it came early, but in case your results, which is the similarity, in case it doesn't come early, what you need to do is to refresh submissions. So when you refresh, it will pop up, but when it doesn't, you wait for some time and then click on refresh again, and that will come. I think this document wasn't that much, so it was able to do the Turnitin process or the plagiarism check very fast. Yeah, so when you're done with this, you need to then click on the name that you saved, the name you saved your document for, which is the second column. So this is a digital receipt. Okay, let's look at how the digital receipt looks like. There's a digital receipt to confirm that you actually turn it in at this particular date, and for this course, the name or the title you gave it to, and then your reference ID. In case someone asks, you can just click on print and then send it to that person. But I don't know if anyone will ask you for this for now. But what you need to do is to click on this to have a view of your Turnitin, the the checks that I had. So if there's a database online that is related to something that you have here, it is going to pick it up and then show you. So that's what appears here. So this is a match overview. So when you click on this, it tells you what maybe where you were able to pick this up from and all those stuff. Which so this is what it's actually telling us, that maybe it has found this in another database somewhere before. This was just a generated text, and it wasn't that much. That's why we are seeing it this way. So when you're done with this, what you need to do straightforward is to come here and click on download. Then on this pop-up, you click current view, then wait as it's prepared for download. It's quite easy, but you need practice to get okay with it. Now it has been saved as a PDF file and you are done. So you can go back and probably try to log out, or let's look at what we downloaded. So let's go to the download button, then open. So this is how it will appear, then you can submit. I hope this is okay. If there's any question or anything, you can come to the ICT office or leave a comment in the in the comment section. And also don't forget to like, subscribe this video as well, and also share to other ACI students who are having problems turning it in. Thank you. May the good Lord be